MSI Vector A18 HX 18-inch gaming laptop. Desktop-level power, 240Hz QHD+, RTX 5080 Beast. Ever feel trapped by sluggish laptops that crash under the simplest gaming or creative tasks? Endless loading screens, constant lags, and buggy software can crush your focus, wasting hours of energy. Frustration builds as your ideas stall and your workflow slows, leaving you staring at your screen, wondering why technology can't just keep up with your ambition. Deadlines loom, projects pile up, and every delay from slow rendering or low frame per second makes stress unbearable. Burnout creeps in while competitive opponents zoom ahead, and opportunities vanish because your system can't handle the load. That familiar pang of panic hits. Your laptop shouldn't be the bottleneck, yet here you are, trapped in a digital struggle you didn't sign up for. Enter the MSI Vector A18 HX, a high-performance 18-inch gaming laptop designed to obliterate limits. Its AMD Ryzen 9-9955 HX CPU and NVIDIA RTX 5080 GPU deliver unparalleled multi-threaded power for gaming, 4K and 8K editing, or AI tasks. The QHD plus 240Hz IPS-level display offers 100% DCI, P3 color, eliminating motion blur while enhancing every detail. With 64GB DDR5 RAM and a 2TB NVMe SSD, multitasking and instant load times become effortless. Per key RGB backlighting and the Copilot button enhance precision and workflow, while Thunderbolt 5, USB-A and C, HDMI 2.1, and Wi-Fi 7 ensure lightning-fast connectivity. Windows 11 Pro adds enterprise-grade security and intuitive navigation. A streamer shared how this laptop saved the day during a live broadcast, effortlessly handling gaming and live encoding simultaneously. Advanced cooling with eco-silent mode keeps temperatures stable under heavy load, while the sleek Cosmo Gray chassis balances desktop-level power with understated style. Every feature works together to transform frustration into unstoppable performance. The Vector A18 HX isn't just another gaming laptop, it's a full-scale performance engine. Imagine executing ultra-high frame per second gameplay, exporting massive 4K video projects, or running multiple virtual machines without stutter. Top-tier tech influencers call it an absolute performance monster, while esports analysts praise the 18-inch 240Hz QHD Plus display for flawless clarity and ghost-free motion. Users rave about the RTX 5080's NVMe encoder for simultaneous streaming and gameplay, 64GB DDR5 RAM for seamless multitasking, and the 2TB NVMe SSD for near-instant load times. Wi-Fi 7 and multiple high-speed ports, Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.1, USB-A and C, deliver rock-solid connections for peripherals, monitors, and networking. One content creator noted, "The cooling system keeps performance consistent even under extreme load," while another highlighted how the keyboard's per key RGB and Copilot button sharpened both gaming precision and creative workflow. Whether it's 8K video editing, AI simulations, or competitive gaming, the MSI Vector A18 HX unites raw power, efficiency, and durability. Why settle for lag, blur, or bottlenecks when a luggable desktop replacement laptop provides smooth, uninterrupted, and visually stunning performance in a sleek, understated chassis that commands respect without flashy gimmicks? Don't wait to upgrade your gaming and productivity setup. Limited stock of the MSI Vector A18 HX is available now. Join thousands of gamers, creators, and pros who've already unleashed desktop-level performance in a portable form factor. Secure yours today and experience instant load times, ultra-smooth 240Hz gameplay, and powerhouse multitasking. With Wi-Fi 7, RTX 5080, 64GB RAM, and 2TB SSD, this is a true all-in-one powerhouse. Act now. Don't miss your chance to dominate both work and play like never before.